So this is the Venari 2 3/4 12 gauge 2-ounce shot. We're gonna be testing first at how many yards?
25.
25. Okay. And I shanked it a little bit. I'm not gonna.
You it was gonna be. Just
I'm not
like,
gonna swerve it next time. I'm not gonna flinch this time. That's insane. Look at that. All right, same shell, 40 yards. This is gonna be nuts right here.
Two 3/4 inch, 2-ounce shot, 55 yards.
That's a dead turkey. Still a dead turkey, dude. That's pretty good. You see that? That's crazy, dude. Wait, what is that? 60?
65.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see.
Dude, it's freaking green. Can you load it?
Are you ready?
This is our shop manager.